Welcome to ITK Study Park. In this series, I will share with you some OOPS object-oriented programming. I will share with you guys. This is total short videos like 10 minutes, 12 minutes, or 15 minutes. Full completed video I'm not creating, just for information sake. So in this video, I will show you how many things we can write inside the classes, how many things we can write inside the classes. So now here our folder is, our drive is batches. Yeah, so I want to create new folder. What is the folder? Oops. Okay, so inside this topic is, what is the topic? Topic name is how many things, how many things write right inside the class. How many things we can write inside the class. Okay, only I will tell you how many things write inside the class and how to call. How to call. Okay, all these things I will discuss in this video total. How to call, how to implement all the things. First of all, I want to write something here. How many things we can write? Hmm. Yes. So what is the class? Site class public. First we write inside the class. First we write starting the public. This is the access modifier, class keyword. Okay. And class name. What is the size for class name? Suppose demo. Okay. So this is the braces open. And here, how many things we can write? So we can write variable. First thing is the variable. We can write here variables. And second thing is we can write methods. We can write in methods. And inside the class, we can also write what is the constructor. All possible cases are reached. Don't worry. Constructor and blocks. Blocks mean static block and also instance block. Abstract classes, abstract class, abstract classes. Yes, we can write it inside the class also, that class. And interfaces, and mm, enum. Yeah, enum is also we can write inside. These many things we can write inside the class. Also in this video, I'm going to tell you how to call these things inside a class. Also, first I will declare, then next I will show you how to call. Okay, so these things we can write. So I want to open. So where is my Notepad plus plus? Here is my Notepad plus plus. Don't want to go, no, close it, and this is the new Control S. here the batches folder. Here inside the batches, oops, is the notes section. This is the program section. Create here one folder, Control Shift N, and it's asking create a new folder for the Control Shift plus N. So folder name is oops program. Program. So okay. Demo. File name is demo. Dot. So here increase the size. So public class demo. Okay. So inside the class, how many things we can write? Inside the class, how many things we can write? Tell me. First, we can write inside the class. Tell me. Inside the class, you can write int variable a. Okay, you can write. I will show you how many things. First is the variable. Second name is the method like public while m1 is the method name. Okay, you can write this is the method, and next thing is constructor. Constructor is the special method public demo class name. Constructor must be should match with the class name constructor. And next thing is constructor we can write and blocks. This is the static block. Static block. This is the static block. Okay. This is the instance block. In Java is existed instance block. Abstract classes. By using abstract keyword, you can create abstract class. Okay. Abstract class. Abstract class. Okay, like suppose AC is the abstract class created, and next is that what is that abstract class interfaces. You can declare interface I declare here inside the class, and enum also is there. Enum, I suppose e. Okay, these many things we can declare. Okay, I will show you how to run OpenCMD. Okay, in the programs, what is the command Java C? First, I want to check which version I am using. Java C hyphen Java C hyphen Java C hyphen sorry hyphen version. Java P not recognize internal command. I think in my system is not saved, but Java is already installed in my system. I will show you how to set the path also. I will show you, don't worry. So come operating system, program files, and Java and JDK11. Yeah, JDK11 is installed in my system bin directory. Copy this path copy this path and right click on the this PC, right click, open properties, go into the advanced setting, environment variable, and new path variable name should be path, and paste the okay. I want to set a permanent or not. It's you depending on the issue. I want like here, click new and save. Okay. And now our is stalled. So I want to close this command prompt. I want to open again. CMD Java C. Oh no, why Java C hyphen why Java P? Let me check. Java P. Why not existed? So, there are doing any mistakes or not? Once doors CMD Java P. It is there Java C. It is there. I have okay. There is okay controller. Open here CMD Java C demo dot Java. Why it's here is not showing. Okay, it's over no issue. So open window R CMD means D colon sorry D yeah and change directory. What is the directory name? Program. Yeah. Here Java C demo.java. You can run here by using this command. Well, static, okay, static spelling is mistakes. If we compile successfully, that means these things are you can write inside that. Okay, you can write these many things. You can write how many things calls. I will show you how many things calls at the time of loading the class. Static block. I will show. Mhm. I want to run Java. Mhm. Public static main method is should be there. Okay. So here static void as main method is there. String dot method you can write it. No the issue. Let me try once. Yes. Yes. Static block not required to call only static blocks. Okay. And when the static blocks call at the time of loading the class. Static blocks call at the time of loading the class. So click the here. Static block of call at the time of loading class. Loading class. Okay. One important point. And okay. How to call how to call my inside this by using this is the instance variable. This is the instance variable. So by using why get this is the non-static variable. By using class reference variable, you can access create the demo d equals to new demo. I want to show you how to access class instance variable inside the method. Okay, how to go. So d dot. So I want to show you. So initialize some value like 10, suppose. You can initialize by using this, but I don't want to. I want to show you how to access. So system out dot println simple a dot d dot d dot a d dot a. Here compile. Okay, demo deb is demo. Okay, compile successfully run. Yeah, 10 is accesses. So this is the way to access. Next thing is I want to access. Okay, next thing is how to access method by using this. So inside the method, I want to write something. S by S system dot out dot println. What is that? This is M1 method. M1 method. That's it. Okay. How to call the method inside this? Simple. By using the reference variable of the class d dot M1 method. That's it. M1 method you can call. Now show you. Here is main point is don't skip the video, please. Here is main point to how to call interface, enums, and abstract classes. These three things is the important how to call. Okay, that's it. Okay. So now this is the instance block. When instance block is called, I will show you instance block how to println. This is nothing but instance block. Instance block. Instance block. That's it. When call. When call. When the object is created. When the object is created, the instance block at that time is called. Object is created. This is our command form. This is our so control C. Instance block called now after the static block. Why? Because first at the time of loading class, static block is called. Okay. After that, suddenly I created object. Okay. Then when the object creation is completed, at the time of object creation, instance block is called by the JVM, whatever they create. How to call abstract method. This is the important. So focus more required here. So this is the abstract class. So I want to declare one method inside the abstract class. So we will get clarity how to call public void. Suppose them2 method is there inside the class. So I want to write some SOP system.out.println and write some node codes. So here, right, this is abstract class M2 method. That this is abstract class M2 method. So now important point is how to call. Okay. So now here how to call. So simple, nothing to do anything. Simple call by using how to call. This is the important. Here required if you think if you are thinking calling by using D, I will show you D dot by using reference variable you can call this method na M2. I will show you calling or not. Okay. Now we cannot call this like that. Okay. Not recall that. So we should create one anonymous class, anonymous. Okay. Then we can call. Then we can call by abstract class. So how? So first is the demo.ac abstract class like a equals to new uh, new which class I want d inside the d class is the abstract class is existed inside the d class. So d dot new internals. I will tell you some other sessions. I am showing how to call. Okay, AC. This is the abstract class. That's it. And here is the, if you think it's enough, it's not enough. I will show you. A dot, if you think calling is good. No. We should create one anonymous class. Anonymous, okay? I should, yeah. So not required. Here we cannot, I will right now, I will unable to call. So here we create one anonymous class with one dummy method, Okay. Let me check. M2 method, no? Let, let me try. Yes. Now, this is the abstract class calling or not by using anonymous declaration. If you are not declared, you are unable to call. Okay. Okay. So now this is the abstract class calling. Okay. So now comment this. Now how to call interface. Okay. How to call interface. How to call interface. This is the how to call interface. So this one, this part is also showing. This is static block. Write down all these commands. I will write it. This is how to call. This is the interface. This is the interface. So interface must have implementation. Interface must have implementation. So I will declare something here like int I equals to 10. Okay. So I want to implement this interface. So simple. What is it here do? Otherwise, we declare one method like not here is not required to do this thing. Public method is the good. Public void m3. Okay, so I want to implement this. I want to implement this. So which is thing to do here? Class with the inner. So this is the inner class now. Inner implements I. That's it. So implement this method public void m3. Write here something like system dot out dot println. What is this? This is implementation class of in I interface. Okay. Now implementation is done by using class, Now this is the important part, how to call. Okay. So inside that we should create same thing. In this line is the recommended. Okay, same thing is required for the interface also. Like demo, our class name is demo dot, which is the inner class name. Which inner class name? Inner is the word inner. Okay, inner. Suppose I variable is that equals to p. That is our demo class reference variable d. So d dot new create the inner class. Simple. Now 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 you can call by any I reference I dot m3 method. That's it. Now let me try. Yeah. Next. This is the implementation class of I interface. Okay. So now this method is calling object class. This techniques to calling object class inside the classes. This technique to call interface inside the classes. Call interface inside class. Okay. So now these two ways are there to call object class and enum is a good to call and not big thing. Enum. Here is the enum. Suppose declare one Monday. Mood by e by comma ed comma I trick. That's it. These many things you can declare inside the. Okay. So now simple is not good to call it up. Inside the main method. I know one way to call. What is the class name? What is the enum name? E. Simple e dot call simple call e dot mood. Mood is there na? Simple. Okay. Now s by s system dot out dot println. Simple e is the. Now you'll get it output or not. Get in mood. Whatever thing you initialize, suppose I trick. Okay. I trick is out as a output. Okay. I trick is now declare one inner class here. I think I'm not declaring one inner class, na? Okay. Declare one inner class. Suppose how to declare inner class? Simple class, a class. Suppose class inner or already define inner. Inner is inner one, and here declare one variable like int I equals to 10, suppose, and inside the inner class how to access. Okay. This thing we should write. Yeah. Here is the demo is the required demo dot inner one Same thing. Inner one, I1 equals to what is the demo class reference variable d dot new equals to inner one. Good. Now you can call by using inner. Now you can call. So I2 I1 dot I1 dot I want only these things. Notice that. Okay. System dot out dot println. Here I want to write I. Simple I. I dot. What is the variable name? The variable name is I. I dot I. I dot I. What I think I is somewhere I declared na issue. W. Okay, no issue. There I dot W. I dot W. Now compile. Getting error. Okay. No issue. By showing the error. I showing the error. Class is in one is good. Yes, good. Demo. Demo. Demo is demo. Okay. Spelling mistake. Okay. So now 10 is coming now. 10 is showing. So this is the total part I want to show you how to call. So revise this video one more time, or if you want these notes, so join our Instagram page. Instagram page name is, I will share this content to you there, okay? In Instagram page here, follow our Instagram page. I will share with Instagram page name also, don't worry. Here is the thing support. No? And it's not. Okay. So follow our Instagram page. Instagram page name is, search on Instagram, I trick study park. This is the Instagram name. So go on our daily some my team update a daily Instagram page, some interview question related core Java advanced was. Will if you are if you follow, then you will get more content. Okay. So thank you for watching. We will meet next video.